Now we write insert bean. Okay, so insert bean means there will be a class, new Java class, and it is insert, okay, and finish. Now we have insert bean. For the bean, we should have first thing import java.io.serializable. Okay, this is a requirement. And for the SQL, we should have import java.sql. Again, all should not be used. Okay, you must know the classes, required classes, whatever is required. And third thing is implements serializable. And fourth requirement is public void constructor insert. Okay, and fifth requirement is what should be inserted? Data, that is string. We have name and we have string email. This is the data. Okay, now we use get and set method. Next requirement, we have void set name. N is capital. Set name, N is capital. For the name, N is capital, and this dot name is equal to name, and we will provide the name, and we should put in the arguments string name. Okay, and next is public string get name. N is capital, get name. Okay, and we use return whatever is set by the set name, that is name. Okay, we have get and set method for name. We must have get and set method for the email. So public void set email, E is capital. Okay, and this dot email is equal to email, and we will provide the email. So string email, and we have public void public string get email, and in the get email we have this dot email. Okay, so these are the functions. Return this dot email, return this dot email. These are the function, and now this is insert, so we should have a public function which will return the message string and insert record. We will provide string SQL. Okay, and we have here connection con is equal to, we should have db, d is equal to new db. Okay, and here d dot get con. Okay, we have created this d dot get con, right? This is a separate bean. Now we have this connection. We can, what we have to do? We have to insert. So prepare statement st is equal to con dot prepare statement. prepare statement con dot prepare statement. This is SQL, right? Now this is statement. Okay, and we are using database, so we should have try and catch block, and we should we should throw the SQL exception here, okay, and we should catch the SQL exception. We are catching exception, okay. So we should catch SQL exception here, okay, right, and we have this, and e dot print stack trace, and this is throws SQL exception, okay, and here we have st dot set string prepare, means we are preparing the statement. First is or this dot name, and second is st dot set string. If there is an integer, we should use integer, okay, set string, and we have 2, and we have this dot email. Second string is email, and get and set methods are there to get and set the. Now we write st dot execute update, okay. This will execute the query, okay, and we should return string the record, return str. Str is equal to the record has been inserted, okay, the record has been inserted, and we should use string str. This is the message, and we have str, and here we should return str, okay. So we should initialize it. So this is our insert bean, where we have get and set methods, where we have serializable implemented, and we have this simple insert record function, okay. Now we will create update.